feel it in the streets. On a day like this, the heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer.
Ocean, guys.
Turn right on 2nd
We
Avenue.
are in
Then turn right on
Cape May.
Wilson Drive. In a quarter of a mile, you'll arrive at Hotel Icon at Diamond Beach. Your destination will be on your right.
Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Making It with the Matthews. So today, it's 4th of July. 4th of July. And we're at the beach. And we are in Cape May.
In Cape May.
And that's Travis and Jerry behind us. And we are excited to be doing the beach quarantine style. 6 feet away, there's not a lot of people here.
So, hello guys. Right now we're at the beach and I'm holding 2 chairs and this busy thing. That's Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. And we're going to go set up at our chairs right now. There's not going away, so there's not a lot of good lighting. But I'll keep you updated.
Hey guys, so we're on the beach already. I'm about to set up like our little picnic basket area. Babe's setting up the music right now.
Battery 100%.
I know we can't go anywhere without music.
You can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, the heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer.
Shoreline as Taylor tries to surf, guys, and it's just so amazing to be able to take in nature this way. Like, we've been stuck in the house for 3 months, and so have you guys, and now we're able to just fully go out and indulge without feeling like it's overcrowded. This is truly a day that we needed, so I hope that you guys were able to do something fun while keeping it safe, of course, because that's the name of the game. Safety. But anyways, thank you guys for being here. We really and truly appreciate you supporting us. We are grateful for the 374 of you subscribers who are here. We're just asking that if you really enjoy our videos, please like by giving us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you can know when we release videos. Come, baby.
I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, baby, I feel like summer. She feel like summer.
The water's cold.
This feel like summer.
Yeah, it is.
I think we gotta go get the meter now.
Yeah.
You guys are playing a game.
Sure. 3-1.
That's cheating. Who's 3?
I serve my 3.
Good job, Tay.
What is?
Huh?
Cross the line.
Okay. I'm coming with you. Oh, it's here, okay.
Your serve, Taylor. Your serve.
Saw the Italian ice truck. So we're gonna go get some Italian ice for Taylor.
What's up, peoples? So it's 4th of July. Well, we're not doing the whole shenanigans. We just wanted to celebrate and be together. But yeah, we out here at Cape May,
Where's my
Icona
baby?
Beach.
Where's my baby girl?
Mm-hmm.
Where's my baby? Her and Uncle Jareem are in the water surfing. Where? They went that far?
Yeah, they got the chasing the whale. See them over there, actually.
Oh my gosh, that wave knocked him away. Oh my gosh, the wave just knocked him down, guys. That's so cool.
She gonna want it.
Huh? I think she would want the...
We go all the time.
The Templar, that's the best one. I eat it every day.
I'm gonna have the chunky strawberry. Oh, they have the creamy coconut. Never
I
mind.
don't have the coconut.
Oh, damn.
Sorry. That's the one thing I don't have.
Do you have icy?
I just have all of these pictures. So
What's this?
this
Half
is
and half.
iced tea lemonade. It's like frozen iced tea and lemonade combined.
I think she'll want that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Want that?
Yeah. It's hard. Let me see.
Be sure it melts soon enough.
Here you go.
Thank you. I left them with everything. Let's bring it to them.
It's gonna fly when they get her out the water.
Yeah. Babe, that's exactly how they do it, babe. Listen, y'all. Listen, in Jamaica we say fudgy, fudgy. Actually doing it, babe. Babe, you hear it? Listen, y'all. She is singing that ice cream fudgy song. Ice cream fudgy! What's up, world? It is nice and warm, but you know what? It didn't start this way at all. I got a strawberry pop. What a straw! Hey, sexy. Show me them abs, boo. Show me them abs. Show me them abs, boo. Show me them abs. She's just right there with Jareem, no?
It's a PG-13 show.
a lick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You're trying to get me to lick stuff on camera.
It's good. What's that? What happened? It's a shock? What the hell does that
Somebody probably
mean?
out too far.
How are we supposed to know what the whistles mean?
You know if you are too far, then you know you are too far.
Taylor enjoying her little icy after she just finished surfing like a pro.
I am a pro now.
I see. You and Uncle Jareem were really pros. So what did you learn from this whole experience?
I learned that next time we're actually renting real surfboards. Because I want to stand up on the waves.
Oh, okay. So, guys, these two are doing a TikTok. Well, Taylor's doing a TikTok. Okay, get it, Taylor. Get it, Taylor. Get it, Taylor. Get it, Taylor. Get it,
What? It has wet sand in it and I can't get it
All right,
out.
guys, look at the rest of the menu. All right, so we are at the Icona that we mentioned earlier. And this is the bar menu. I think I'm gonna try the Diamond Beach Bowl. The braised Moroccan shawarma beef. The different protein bowls. No, you don't feel for that?
Crab cakes and fries.
Okay. Boardwalk fries.
So with chips. What's chips?
It's a sandwich.
You know what I'm saying? What's chips?
Probably
Oh,
fries.
We get one fry to share.
Yeah.
Server came in.
Yeah, we ordered drinks.
Yeah, you have the Burger King Club, right? I thought so.
Cherry. Cool. Thank
Who's got
you.
the
I do.
We got that, and then we got this Long Island.
Thank you so much.
Oh, those fancy glasses.
And thank you.
Do you want me to help you pour it in there?
Whoops.
Oh,
I'm sure they're pretty good.
Got it?
Yeah.
I don't know what it's for.
What are you getting, Taylor?
Can I get the seashore fries?
Sure.
That's all you want?
No, I just want that for now. What's
Here,
on that
babe.
list
Go ahead and
except
order.
French fries?
Oh, I'll have the crab cakes.
Sure.
And
Just one on like a bun, is that okay? It's like a crab cake sandwich.
yes,
okay?
that's fine. And chips. What kind of chips is it?
Just like Lay's chips.
Oh,
plain.
can I have French fries?
Yeah, I have to order like a side of that. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Plain?
Let me see. Hold on. Yeah, boardwalk fries.
Boardwalk? Gotcha.
The sweet and spicy udon noodles.
Sure.
Okay, I know I'm asking you a lot, but the sear tuna or the beef, which one's better?
I love tuna. I think
Okay.
the tuna's really good.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for the tuna.
And the sesame would be good with that.
Okay, thank
Yeah,
you. Done and done. Huh? You wanna go sit
So
in
when
the
it's
chair?
no, I think we got both.
Oh yeah, it's nice and breezy. Yes, Taylor? I look like a tourist? In Jamaica, that's when people like acting like them stush and things, you know, but them going to Ochi for the weekend and stuff like that. Them call them dryland tourists. That's me. I'm still in New Jersey, but I'm feeling like I'm in Mexico or St. Thomas. St. Thomas, yeah, that's one.
This girl, you're making me feel that maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Yeah. Oh na 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 na, oh na na na. 'Cause I don't care, just as long as you hold me near. You can take me anywhere, and you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Yeah.
I'm so hungry. Just wanna eat my food.
White squall biting you?
I'm so hungry. I just wanna eat. Just wanna eat my food. Cause I'm so damn hungry. I just want to eat.
I think I was off. Okay.
The seashore is yours, Tara.
Oh, that's seashore.
Yep.
That's mine.
No, that's ours.
Uncle, these are
You want a French fries too, Jerry?
No, I was getting that from Taylor.
You guys missing this stuff? So everything is served in bowls,
I was
guys,
like, why did they give me pasta?
because you know it's Corona time, so no one's like serving in
Oh,
plates.
this cheese tastes good.
Here, you got a wrap. Trevor's
I'm
got
picking it
a
up to so all of
Crab cake.
crab cake.
Try one.
Oh, that looks good.
Take a bite.
Oh. Babe,
Don't
that's
come
the
back.
ocean.
Don't come back.
Oh my goodness. Tell her. Daddy, Daddy,
no cheese.
I get something you could try too, you know.
Yeah, it does, right?
Filming them when they're making it. You see them?
2 buckets and a strawberry pina colada. I was like, they're probably running like
Tony!
Give me that strawberry bucket. Yeah. There you go, guys. That's your Long Island. Okay.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Tell her we think it's Is there a bucket?
How is it?
Good. Yeah.
Wait, so what did you get that's in the bucket?
This is a Long Island.
And they're like, who's it?
There we go. Cash your card. Card. Yeah. I know.
Today is gonna be the day our girl back together. By now you should somehow like what you got to. I don't believe that everybody feels the way I do. I know those men have to walk around. And I'll break your smile with the beat of London. There are many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how. From the windows to the walls. Just kidding. Now send me the PG show. You're gonna be the one that saves me. But after all, you're my wonderwall. And I said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me. But after all, you're my wonderwall.
You can take me anywhere, and you're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. Yeah. Oh na 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 na, oh na na na. We at a party we don't wanna be at. We're trying to talk and we can hear ourselves. But still listen now, get some right back. With all these people around, I'm crippled with anxiety. Would I want them really? I try for free, baby. It's kinda crazy, but I really don't mind. And girl, you know you make it better like that. Girl, you know me love your body. When you were one on the dance floor. When we walked in, I said I'm sorry. But now I think that we should stay. 'Cause I don't care, just as long as you hold me near. You can take me anywhere. And you're making me feel like I'm loved by someone.
What's up, people?
Daddy.
We're going up to a slide board.
On a day like this, the heat, it feel like summer. I feel like summer. I feel like summer.
I would have busted my face. Ask Daddy. If the sand wasn't soft, Mommy would have been taken out. Okay? Taken out. Let's go.
Yo, I saw it.
I feel like summer. I feel like summer. You can feel it in the streets. On a day like this, the heat, I feel like summer. She feel like summer.
Alright guys, the day is almost done. Daddy, throw it on, Taylor. I want to throw it again. Put your slippers on. We're about to go home, peeps. The day is almost done.
Alright, Taylor, let me see you, let me see you.
Something else. Okay, see you guys. Bye guys.
You can feel it.
I'll see you guys
On a day like this, it feel like summer.
Bye.
One in the back, right?
I feel like summer.
Bye, Taylor.
I feel like summer.
Take our stuff off the beach. Bye.
You can feel it.
He really got the magic in our right.
I feel like summer.
Oh my gosh, look at all that stuff go.
She feel like summer.
He's something else.